Hi guys, today I'm going to be making nano tape squishies that I've been seeing all over Instagram. There's different type of squishies you can make with nano tape, but I'm going to be making the water squishies. So to start off, I'm going to color my water with red food coloring. I'm going to be using this humongous syringe to insert the liquid. Then you want to cut a piece of nano tape and wrap that around your syringe. This tape is double-sided, so you want to peel the outside layer. And as you can see, I failed miserably several times. Those TikTok and Instagram videos made it look so easy, but it was actually quite difficult for me. So I went and did more research and I found out that you're actually supposed to use a hairdryer to heat up the nano tape. And this time I was successfully able to create a squishy. And when you're taking it off the syringe, you want to pinch it really tightly and you can cut off the excess nano tape. This kind of reminds me of an Orbeez, it's so shiny and squishy. And if I turn this around, you can see that it's not going to be perfectly round, there's going to be excess tape. So now let's make our second cherry. I didn't show it this time around, but I did peel off the outer plastic part, and also I used the hairdryer to heat up the nano tape. Right now you can see that I'm pinching the nano tape closed, but if you do it this way, it's not going to be as secure. Instead of pinching the nano tape closed, I found it more secure to twist the nano tape. It doesn't look as pretty, but it'll last longer. Next, on the sticky side of the nano tape, I'm going to draw a stem. And then I covered it with another piece of nano tape. I suggest you use a permanent marker because I didn't and the ink was moving around. I also made a leaf and I removed the plastic from only one side of the nano tape. I left the plastic on the other side because I wanted it to hold its shape. And finally, I drew kawaii faces on my cherries with permanent marker. And here's the final squishy. This turned out super cute, but unfortunately one of the cherries did end up leaking. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!